So before this video gets started, if you are interested in signing up for PostMates and you want to use my special referral promo code, you can get a guarantee of up to $500, $700, sometimes even $1,000. They're in huge demand right now for new PostMates couriers, new PostMates drivers. So if you use my link and promo code to get signed up, you can qualify for my special referral promo. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. This is my channel, the Rideshare Hub. I am an Uber driver, Lyft driver, PostMates shopper, Instacart shopper, DoorDash. I do the whole shebang. I do everything. That's pretty much what I do. I try out a bunch of different gig apps. I talk about a little bit of news. I report my earnings. And yeah, we all have a great time together. I'm also a TikToker, but TikTok's getting banned apparently. So I don't know, maybe I'll switch more to YouTube. But anyways, so today I'm talking about, I got my PostMates referral driver bonus today. I'm super excited to share with you guys. Again, if you want to use my link and promo to sign up for PostMates, it's a referral promo, so you can get a guarantee. I believe it's up to $1,000 depending on your market. Obviously, if you're signing up in Timbuktu, Idaho, it's probably not going to be $1,000 because they probably don't have a lot of people ordering. But if you sign up in LA or San Francisco, you know, you guys know what I mean. So yeah, I'm just gonna sync up my phone here and show you guys because this is pretty awesome. There's a lot of exciting things going on right now, especially with food delivery. I know you guys are thinking, wow, what do you mean, Dylan? Isn't the whole country in lockdown mode right now? No, food delivery business is booming right now. People are making crazy amounts of money, $2 grand a week. Like, yeah, it's insane. So this is my app here. I got all these apps on my phone here. By the way, TikTok star, you're watching a current TikTok star right now. 800,000 followers, no big deal. That's my buddy. I'm in some of them, I promise. Ooh, shirtless Dylan. Here we go. But this is PostMates fleet app, right? Earn more, invite friends. This is where I'm currently at. This is not my address, so don't worry. I'm just at my local gym. Don't come stalk me. Here we go. You're offline. So here we go. Invite friends, earn up to $175. Earn up to $175 for each friend who complete. This is my promo code, by the way. I'll leave it down below though. But I just got this email. So let me show you guys really quick. 175 earnings guarantee achieved. Referral reward, payment processed. So yeah, your referral completed enough deliveries within 30 days of signing up for you to receive a reward payout. We've processed your payment and credited $175 to your profile. There's no limit to the number of new PostMates you can refer. Why not invite even more friends? So this is reserve all rights to withhold or deduct payments if we believe an error has occurred or if anything was fraudulent, illegal, or in violation of the fleet agreement or referral terms. So if you're a PostMates shopper or a PostMates driver or a new one, I think what they're doing, because if you guys haven't heard, Uber just bought PostMates while they're in the process of, it's a deal that just got passed. Uber acquires PostMates and for $2.65 billion. And so, with that being said, I think that they're trying to get a lot of new PostMates people to deliver their food to keep up with this huge demand. Because a lot more people now are like, oh, Uber owns PostMates, I'll just do PostMates. So they're gonna receive a lot more people. But honestly, guys, it's super simple. This is it in my account, 175 bucks. I can cash it out. Add your debit card and cash out your earnings instantly for just 50 cents. Obviously, I don't want to pay that 50-cent fee. I'm just gonna wait until it hits my account through the direct deposit thing. This is my profile. I added my vehicle here. You could even use a scooter or a motorcycle. I can't do bike or walking just because, yeah, I'm in not an area that does that. But I just want to share that news with you guys. I got mine. I got it for inviting somebody to sign up. But it's a great way to make some extra money if you're doing PostMates and you have a friend who wants to sign up. Share your promo code, and you can also kind of like match up the earnings together. But again, if you want to use my referral promo code down below, so you can sign up for PostMates and you can get my referral promo to get your guarantee. you can do that as well. Thank you for watching today's video, guys, and have an amazing day. I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.